Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be talking about the TrendMaster FX expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, but in this video I'll be using the MetaTrader 5 version to explain the details of the TrendMaster FX. This is the MetaTrader 4 version, basically the same thing and also the same price. It goes for 638 US dollars, and it was developed by a Chinese man, Chen Jia. It has 171 reviews from traders who have bought it and who have used it, and they have their comments here, they have their reviews. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. Why we have over 500 comments on this expert advisor, so this is quite popular. It's making all the waves and is promoted as an AI powered trend system using deep learning for EURUSD and GBPUSD on the 50-minute time frame. Honestly, it looks promising on paper with strict risk controls, but I put it through my standard test to see the real story. So ensure you watch until the end of this video as we're going to break everything down. But before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free by using the link in the description below, so it's totally worth it. Ensure you check it out. Now, talking about the TrendMaster FX EA, according to the developer Mr. Chen, it uses advanced algorithms and deep learning technology to analyze market behaviors based on nearly a decade of data. It identifies trading opportunities on market trends and executes based on specific criteria. The key point is that there is no greed, there's no martingale, and every single order has its own stop loss, plus hedging protection during significant fluctuations to minimize risks. They also recommend it for EURUSD and GBPUSD. This is actually a typo. It's supposed to be EURUSD, and GBPUSD is the backup. It's like the second option. They show massive backtest results, like over $438 million in total net profit from a $1,000 deposit. Profit factor around 9.3, and there is the 87% win rate. There is also a super low drawdown and high recovery factor. There are lots of customizations with risk modes. This is the equity curve. The equity curves from their backtests. I have lots of it here, and like I said, there are lots of customizations with risk modes, filters, and protections. Position that's a safe, stable expert advisor for both aggressive and conservative traders. Now, talking about the settings and the features they market, we have the 0.01 lot size, which is the recommended setting, and also there's up to 0.15 aggressive. Everything is here on the inputs, and also they have the intelligent market filtering system. There's also additional filters and max spread control, and also there's the drawdown protections that pause trading at certain times and at certain levels, and also we have hedging. All of these are the settings and inputs that are recommended, the defaults basically. They recommend it works on ECN accounts, on any leverage, and the manual and ongoing updates from the author are highlighted for long-term reliability. But however, it was last updated about 2 years ago, 28 October 2024, and it's quite popular, has 4-star rating out of 5. I ran my backtest on this expert advisor to see if it's really worth it. I ran it on the EURUSD on the 50-minute time frame, on a custom period of June 2025 to June 2026 with a $10,000 deposit and a conservative 0.01 risk. Total net profit came in at about negative 3,833, and we had a profit factor of 0.66 and a max equity drawdown hit around 55%. These are poor numbers. These numbers are not quite impressive. The win rate looked decent on the trades. It took 66 trades in total, and win rate's about 83%. And the equity curve started flat. This is it. It started flat initially, but then it had several noticeable drops and ended lower overall. And if we had continued, who knows, maybe we would have blown the account, or maybe we would have recovered back to break even and above. But comparing this to their insane showcase of numbers, this is way more realistic and recent, and also disappointing. Features that mattered are the drawdown protection. It kicked in somewhere, and the risk mode kept lots small. I also have the hedging, which probably helped in spots, but the core logic still took hits in chop. And the thing is, gold standard backtest rarely translate perfectly live due to spreads and slippage. But my verdict for this expert advisor is that it's a defined risk trend expert advisor with some solid protections. But the performance gap shows typical optimization risks. The nuances will include sensitivity to market regimes and need for conservative risks. But the implications will be that it can work in trading conditions, but bleeds in ranging conditions. I'll say it's for experienced traders who trade on the recommended pairs like EURUSD and GBPUSD, traders who monitor and use low risks. But I'll say you should avoid this expert advisor if you want consistent profits without big drawdowns, or you want hands off on small accounts. But it's always advisable to test thoroughly on demo before you go ahead with any expert advisor. We've come to the end of this video. Like the video if these real tests help you. Subscribe and hit notifications for more expert advisor reviews like this one. Comment below which expert advisor you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free Forex robot in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.